Okay, we got something nice that is not 1/200 obviously, but I wanted to just give a shout out to Midwest Model Shop. Ben and Nora have had their YouTube channel, I think, since the beginning of time, long before men used tools. It's a great channel. Nora makes me laugh. Great tips. They've always shared our stuff. They've always mentioned our page, and I got these. I got some lifeboats from Estaquillo at Amateur 3D Printing, and I asked Ben, "Hey, just throw some paint on it, make it look used and abused." And this should be what a lifeboat from the Titanic would be found. The condition would be found in. Excuse me, I've been on MS meds all weekend, so I'm trying to think ahead for speech. So I got my beer, I got my box. Let's open it up. Robin, could you hold this phone for a second? So I have not seen this yet. I just cut the tape so it'd be easier. It says, "I think you said you like your ships well weathered. The print was very rough, so the boat is weathered." Okay. And guys, if you're not watching the Midwest Model Shop on the Titanic stuff, make sure you subscribe, because they do a lot of other stuff. The Missouri trumpeter kit, and Nora's herself is doing or is going to be doing a Batmobile. I have a Batmobile that I need done. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is... I like my sci-fi ships used and abused, rusted and dusted. I like it. Guys, this is super nice. The only thing that's missing is the water and the sound of seagulls. If somebody found, oh wow, you've got a decal up there, or is that paint? Nice job, Ben. Thank you so much. I like this. That looks good. So we're going to put this on the sci-fi shelf. Nice job, Ben. Thank you so much. So the other thing that I was going to mention is we're sending out that Walmart box to Ben. We got a lot of the China stuff going out to them, so keep an eye on their channel. We have an used and abused, rusted and dusted lifeboat, as you would have, if you would find one. from the Titanic. Very, very nice. Thank you. You guys have a good night. Thank you so much for popping in. And God, Ben, that looks nice. I really appreciate it. I'll have to take some photos so you can post them on your channel.